Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you about models. You have read in your previous class about models. You read about can, could, shall, might, may, how to use in the sentences. A model is a type of auxiliary verb that is helping verb which is used to express ability, possibility, permission or obligation. Here you have to read about how to use have and has to in the sentences. Have or has to expresses general obligations. When we are talking about another person's obligation, we use have to. So, see the sentences here. For example, uh, I'm giving you some sentence. You have to put on uniform at school. You have to give your report by 5 p.m. tomorrow. So, in this way, we use have to in the sentences. The following sentences: the team has to win this qualifying match to be able to play in the World Cup. To play in the World Cup, team has to uh, uh, win the match. They have to pass the entrance exam for getting admission in the college. Means it shows that here is no another option. If you have to take admission in the college, you must have to pass the entrance exam. If you qualify the exam, then you take admission in the college. Remember, has to or have to are used to tell that there is no option but to do something. For example, the candidate, see here, the candidate has to clear the interview for getting the job. If they clear the interview, get their job, there is no another option. So, uh, today you have to do this worksheet, and by seeing the following example, you have to write some of the sentences. Discuss with your partner and write a few things that the students have to do in the school. So, what are the sentences you have to write here? You have to write about the students which they have to do in the school. Just for example, you can write, we have to ask for everything in the school. Without taking any permission, we can't do anything. So, you can write the first sentence, we have to ask for everything in the school. In this way, you can write uh, some of the sentences. First, you do yourself. Second is, see the worksheet 3, read the following. Dialogue is given here. Principal, Mrs. Jan, you have to accompany two students of class 8 to a quiz competition in XYZ public school. You must reach the venue at 8 a.m. All the participants have to wear a white uniform and red badges. So here principal said to Mrs. Jan that there is a competition, quiz competition, and what participants, it is must that participants have to wear the white uniform with badge, and they have to reach the venue at 8 a.m. So here see the use of must and have to. Must or have to are used to express necessity or compulsion. So in most of the cases, these two, here necessity, what which word shows necessity here, that all the participants have to wear, it is necessary, have to wear a white uniform. So जब भी स्कूल में कोई प्रोग्राम होता है, you also get notice that what should you wear in the function. So in this way, it is, the notice is here, and the use of must or have to. In most of the cases, these two can be used interchangeably. There is a slight difference between must and have to. In must, the authority, it means insistence, comes from the speaker. Speaker is have the authority. Okay, in have to, the authority comes from outside the speaker, such as law or rules. So here it is given now, all the participants have to wear a white uniform. It is a rule. So you must follow the rule. You must reach the airport at 8 p.m. This shows insistence. You have to reach the airport 3 hours before your flight time. This is the rule. So in this way you have to fill up the blanks by using must or have to in the following sentences. First you read the sentences and try to find out where you use must or where you use have to. First sentence is, you dash participate in the drawing competition. I am sure you will win. You must participate. What you use here? Must or have to? Must. So use must here. In this way you do this worksheet. So today you do worksheet 2 and worksheet 4. So that's all for today. Thank you.